Hey guys, hope you're all okay, and in this video I will be giving you a detailed demo of domain flow. So I'm inside the members area, and inside the dashboard you can see the total number of domains that you have created, the total auction that you have done on the domains, the total revenue that you have generated from those domains, active auctions, recent created sites, and all auctions will be listed down below. And you've got your training listed right over here, your bonuses listed right over here, and a massive selection of language preference is right over here. And on the left hand side you've got the dashboard and the create domain site section. So we'll get started by creating a domain site. So all you have to do is click on this particular section right over here, and then you need to click on create site. And once you click on create site, you will be greeted by this section right over here which says create site, develop your own website in 3 quick steps. So the first step is to add the details right over here. So name your site and whatever name that you want to give to your site. I'm just gonna name that as AI Tool Shop right over here, and I have got the description details over here, so I'm just gonna put that as AI Tool Shop for AI tools. So I'm just gonna put that down, and I'm just gonna put the name over here as AI Tool Shop for the domain. And if you have got a custom domain, then you can obviously use your custom domain or whatever domain that you want to use. You can get started with that, and the next option is for you to select continue to move to the next step, which is step 2. And once I click on step continue, it'll take me to step 2 right over here, and enter an email address. If you have an email address over here, just put that down over here, test AI tool shop at aitools.com. and if you have any handles like your Facebook handle, Instagram handle, or LinkedIn URL, just mention that over here. And if you want to enter an affiliate ID that you want to promote, you can do that right over here. So important, please register an account on namesilo.com, or go to my account, which is the affiliate program manager, and click on the marketing materials tab to copy the value after you put that down. And you can then use that, or you need to use that value only, and please do not add the rid here. So you can, I'll show that to you on how to get started with that. You'll have to go on NameSilo, and you need to go to your account and to affiliate program manager to get started with that. So if you haven't used NameSilo, just go on NameSilo and you can then follow these steps. So once you have added all your URLs for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you need to register on namesilo.com. And once you have registered on namesilo.com, please follow this process. So you need to go on to my account and then to affiliate program manager, and on that you need to click on marketing materials tab. And once you click on marketing material tab, please copy the value. So once you are here, the value will be listed right over here for you. So all you have to do is you need to copy this, and you need to paste that over here. So once that is pasted, you can click on continue. So let me just go back on NameSilo and just need to show you exactly how that is done. So once you are over here, once you have registered, obviously, you need to go on this particular section which says My Account, and then from My Account on the left hand side you need to scroll down and you need to go to Affiliate Program Manager. This is the one. Need to click on that. Once you click on that, you need to click on this particular section which says Marketing Material. Once you click on Marketing Material, then that will actually take you to this particular section. On this box, this is your value, guys. Obviously everyone will have their own value for earning commission, so this is mine, and I will copy that, paste that right over here and hit continue. And once you go to the next section over here, obviously you've got your admin username, your password, and your email address that you need to use, and just keep this clicked in because this will enable AI and enable auction for you guys, and then hit on submit, and that is that done. That's created you a website of your AI tool shop. And once you have obviously created that, you can actually share that on Facebook, on Reddit, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Pinterest. Your backend details, your admin's details are listed right over here for you. I'll show you on how you can get inside that. And then you have got your site URL over here. So for entering AI tool shop, you need to click on this particular box over here which says site URL. So once we've clicked on site URL, it will take you to your domain site, and in this site you can do so much, guys. I'll brief you everything, and in the site obviously you can customize these details as per your requirement, and you can search obviously for domain names, and you can select, deselect whichever one you want to and whichever one you don't want to. I'm just gonna enable all of them for now because that will give me an insight of all these domains basically. So it will give me the options on .info, .app, .uk, us, .mobi, .cc, .io, .biz, ly, .in, so much more. And what we can offer, you can actually customize all these things, on your backend, on your admin panel. The best price, large selection of domains, privacy, security, 24/7 support, 10 million users. You've got our tools, what tools you offer. You've got domain search, domain generator, who is, information, and reverse IP look, domain location, DNS lookup, domain auctions, and you've got testimonials listed right over here as well. And then you have got all domain prices, and then you have got check domain availability, and you've got find domain owner information, find out domain expiry, and FAQs. And then whoever wants to get in touch with you, they just leave their details over here, and then you will get notified, and then you can obviously get in touch with them. So it says our team will get in touch with you within a day or two. So for instance, if you are not sure on what domain that you want to find, there is a superb method of finding domains with the help of ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just click on this, click on ChatGPT, and just mention that you are looking for domains in AI tool shop, and then click on get from AI, and it will actually look for you over here on what names that you can get started with. and you've got different names that it's suggesting. It's offering you some amazing names like smarttechsupply.com, aiautomationtools.com, techgadgethub.com. You've got automateyourlife.com, AI Tool Market. I actually like this name, AI Tool Market. And if you want to use that, you just need to click on this over here. It'll autofill this section over here, and then all you have to do is just click on search. So aitoolmarket.com, and you've got this actually is already used, and I mean, you can find out whose is this, and just click on this, and they will give you the information on whose is this, and they will give you the information on on the details of that domain. And last update, it was in 2024, and yeah, you've got more information listed right over here, so you can get more information on that. So I'm just going to close that, but we can actually see the other details of the domain. Like if you want to get started with aitoolmarket.org, you've got that readily available for you, and you've got that in .net, .info, .app, .uk, .us. It's just for $1, guys. $1, can you believe it? Just for $1. And you can actually make so much on this, because it's a market for it, obviously, especially with things going haywire when it comes to AI tools or AI websites or AI gadgets. Could be anything. You can get started with it, and you can see over here that aitoolmarket.mobi is very expensive. Obviously, then the demand for the other tools will also increase depending on when there is a need for it. And when these two are available, obviously you can grab both of them, especially for US market and for UK market, and then get started with it. And going back now to the admin panel, so all you have to do is just click on this button over here which says details, and all you have to do is just click on admin URL, and that will actually take you to the backend of domain flow. And the email you need to use is this, and the password that you need to use is this one. So once you are logged in to this, then this will give you access to the entire backend. Now in the backend, or in the admin panel, it will show you the total number of TLDs, the total number of active TLDs, the total number of pages that you have, the total auctions, users, and then again, you can just drill that down actually with journal information on that specific domain. If you want to change, obviously, the logo, you just browse that from your system and change the logo, change the website title if you want. You've got your header, you've got your footer, and you've got all the details listed over here that are fully customizable. Then you've got your SEO settings. So with these SEO settings, you can actually see the domain search, who is information, domain generator, reverse IP look, and domain location, DNS lookup, and so much more. And then we have got the next section over here, which is tool setting. Now tool settings, you can actually enable it and disable it, so it depends which one you want to keep active. You can literally go through each of them and you can actually enable it and disable it. So I'm just going to keep that as standard, wherein they are enabled as standard. And there are ad spots that you can sponsor ads, which is an amazing feature. Then you have got additional assets listed right over here. You can add CSS and JS, and you can add your Google Analytics ID. And then we have got contact settings over here, and you can make those changes and amend those changes. You've got API settings listed right over here. So if you have got any API key, you can then put that down over here and then submit. You've got your currency settings right over here. You've got your header footer links over here. You've got your tools settings for TLDs, manage TLDs right over here. You've got so many over here. You can enable and you can disable the statuses. You can edit those statuses over here. And then you've got active TLDs orders. You've got domain generator. You can actually, keep them or disable them as a default setting. They are all enabled. And then there is whois suggestions. You've got pages. If you want to add more pages, you can add more pages to it by clicking on add pages. Then you've got your blocked section over here. You can add blogs and posts. You can generate sitemaps over here. Then you can actually remove cache over here. And then you have got account settings right over here. And then you have got create an account. You can actually add an account over here. Then you have got all accounts listed, all auctions, then testimonials. Then you can add your PayPal over here, payment history over here. Then you've got my tool settings at the end or bottom of this page. So the entire dashboard for admin is absolutely brilliant. There's a lot to do in there. You can take your time in going through them, and there's a lot actually can be added, like banner ads is one of the fantastic features I find personally. So if I go back on the back end over here and then go to listed sites, you can see the sites are listed right over here. And then we have got traffic analytics, which is the next section. Will give you the exact traffic from where you're getting the traffic on your website, and will give you traffic. It will give you serial number, date and time, location, IP address, the browser that they've used, the device that they've used, whether it's Windows or Mac, and domain that they've used, whether they've used Safari or Firefox or Google Chrome. And then we have got the auction listed right over here, so you can see whichever domain has been auctioned. Revenue that you have generated is going to be listed right over here, so you can view the revenue for both of them. And if you want to view that, you can actually click on that and will give you the amount listed right over here. And then we have got the next section, which is done for you offers. Now in this section, guys, you can actually make commissions by promoting these offers, which are absolutely amazing. Will give you straight 50% commissions in your pocket. And the JV link is right over here, the doc is right over here, swipes are listed right away, so you don't have to worry about the swipes, the emails, the subject line, everything is listed right over here. So you can actually use these emails to generate some absolutely amazing engagement with your customers, and then bank in 50% commissions on it. And then if you want to add a sub-user, you can actually add a sub-user right over here. So all you have to do is just click on the username, put an email address over here, put a mobile number over here, and put a password over here and address over here, and then submit, and the username will get created. So I've used the same email address. It won't let me create another one on that, so I'll just use another email address over here. So test 1 2 3, and so let's generate sub-user, and that's created another sub-user, and you can give the details of this to your subordinate or your friend or your staff, and then they can actually get access to this domain flow website with this username and password. And then we have got upsells over here. Then we have got PDA, Smart News that you can get access to. These are upgrades, and you have got PDA, Prime Stock Hub, Prime Design, Resellers Edition, help if any needed, you can get in touch. And then we have got the training listed right over here. Then you've got your bonuses, and then you can log out from here. And if I want to go back on the dashboard section right over here, again, it'll give you the details of your recently created websites, and yeah, the revenue generated, total domains created, and so on and so forth. And that's about it on Domain Flow, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have got any questions, you can get in touch with us. And I wish you all the best, and keep on smashing with Domain Flow. It's a brilliant way to get started with some absolutely amazing, creating amazing domains, and getting access to amazing domains at a really, really good price. So you guys take care, stay safe, have a good one, and I'll see you in my next one. Cheers. Goodbye.